Welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to install or replace the front trunk HEPA plus carbon air filters in your Tesla Model Y using the ones sent to me by Vion. Now these filters are essential for maintaining your air quality inside of your car, so it's a quick and important maintenance task. First, let me explain the difference between the filters found inside of your cabin, inside the HVAC system, and the ones found inside of the frunk of your Tesla Model Y. Now the Model Y has two types of air filters. You have the front trunk HEPA plus carbon air filters, and these are installed in the front trunk or frunk to filter out air entering into the vehicle. These protect systems like the HVAC from dirt, particulates, and harmful gases. And then you have the HEPA activated carbon cabin air filters, and these are installed directly in the HVAC system to filter out the air inside the cabin. They combine HEPA filtration and activated carbon to remove particulates, pollutants, and odors. The cabin filters are part of Tesla's bioweapons defense mode, and they provide high quality air inside of the car by capturing allergens, pollutions, and harmful gases. Now these large filters are only found in the Model Y. However, both the Model 3 and the Model Y take these filters right here that go right into the HVAC system. And on the box, as you see, it says right here for Model 3 and Model Y. Now you should replace these filters every 2 to 3 years, but if you live within a high pollution area or near wildfires, I'd recommend sticking closer to that 2-year mark. Now let's talk about what comes inside of the box. So in the box from Vion, you get 2 HEPA air filters, 2 carbon filters, and the tools needed for the replacement, including a 10mm socket and a T20 screwdriver. And if you want to check these filters out, I'll leave a link to them right below in the description as well as a discount. Now I've done other videos on how to replace the cabin filters themselves, so today we're going to focus on the filters in the front. To get started, make sure your AC is turned off and open the front hood. Next, remove the shield by pulling it upwards to loosen the clips. Set it aside in a safe spot. Each step we do now will be repeated in reverse when putting everything back together. Start by using the 10mm socket to remove the bolts on both sides of the air filter compartment. If you don't have your own tools, Vion provides these in the kit. Now carefully remove the air filter compartment and place it on the ground. Be gentle, as the area can be fragile. Use the T20 screwdriver provided to remove the 10 screws holding the cover on the compartment, then lift the cover off. Take out the old air filters and replace them with the new Vion filters. Make sure to put them back in the correct order. These filters are one directional, so check for the airflow arrows on the side of the filters and make sure they point in the direction of the airflow. You may also want to clean out any dust or debris from the compartment before putting the new filters back in. Now reverse the steps to reassemble everything. First, place the cover back on the compartment, secure it with the 10 screws using the T20 screwdriver, place the compartment back into the frunk and screw in the 2 10mm bolts. Finally, snap the shield back into place by pressing it until it clicks. And just like that, you're good to go for another 2 to 3 years with fresh air filters. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and comment below if you have any questions. And of course, subscribe for more maintenance tips. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.